Right now I'm having breakfast and I'm just packing my last things. Actually, Mari, she took most of my clothes last week to in her check-in baggage because I didn't have any space in my just carry-on. And all that I have packed is actually just the camera and the drone. So here you can see what I mean. But yeah, I'm having breakfast now and I'm gonna leave for the airport in about 1.5 hours, I think. All right, so I finished up here. I packed my things and now I'm ready to go. So I finally arrived at Dyrøya, which is located in the polar circle, actually, in the northern part of Norway. And I mean, look at this. It's just, yeah, it's crazy. It's just nature all the way around. And my plan is now, actually the time is like almost 10 o'clock in the evening, and there's still so much daylight. The sun sets around 11:30, and I think it rises again like 2 hours later or something. It's never getting dark here, so you can actually stay up all night if you want to. And my plan is now to fly with my drone. I want to go inside of the boathouse and then kind of fly towards the ocean through those doors. So I will show you what I mean. Like a steady drone shot, like flying out here slowly towards the ocean. I think it's gonna be a really cool effect. It's 1 p.m. and I'm pretty tired because I think I woke up at 4 a.m. and then 6 a.m. where I started working. I'm gonna stop working here in about 1 hour, I think. And then when Mari and her dad gets back from the hike, they actually right now they went on a hike to go on the top of this mountain here. And it's about 3 hours, so they should be back in 1 hour or something, maybe 1.5 hours. And then the plan is that we are going to Senja, which is that island over there, right there. And we're gonna camp tonight. So we're gonna bring a tent, and then hopefully the weather is gonna be good. And then the plan is tomorrow that we're going to Segla, which is one of the most iconic mountains or like places you can visit on Senja. So I'm looking forward to that. And of course I'm gonna bring my camera. I haven't really figured out the settings yet because I'm not very good at like there's so many settings that you can change on the camera, and I'm pretty new to photography and filming in general, so it's gonna be a challenge for me, but yeah, it's probably gonna be cool anyway. The sun was up all night. It wasn't up, but it was really bright. I took a picture at midnight and it was just completely, yeah, it was just a lot of light. So now we're going to make some breakfast, just some bread and cheese, I think, and then after that we're going to Segla, which is the iconic mountain. We're heading up, and this is much tougher than I thought it would be. I think now we're about halfway there, and we've been away, maybe not, but I think we've been walking for like 1 hour or something, and it's just getting steeper and steeper, and yeah, it's a long way down. We started down there, and we're going up there. So we're gonna take a short break up here at the top, and then we're gonna get some chips and just get our breath.
Veldig fint. Det er faktisk mektig.
Thank you so much for watching this video of me and my trip to northern Norway. It means a lot to me that you wanted to watch it. I'm kind of new to filming and editing, and this is actually the first video on my channel. I know that there's room for improvement, so I would really appreciate if you wanted to
put in the comments below, like if you have any feedback. It would mean a lot to me. But yeah, that being said, I really hope that you want to follow my journey and stay on keep on watching these videos. Actually, this Saturday, a friend and I are going to Tanzania to summit Kilimanjaro, and I'm planning on making a video as well. So if you liked this video and you want to see more videos, please give this one a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.